down below. What's your favorite fair food? We're going to the fair today. You want to get the donut?
Nothing more beautiful than all that milk flowing early in the morning here. What are you pointing at? Oh, this thing? Hey everybody, welcome back for a video. Kind of missed last week. Waylon had a little accident and broke his leg, so we've been kind of running all opposite directions with that. On top of having to cover chores because one of our employees is gone. So been kind of a crazy couple weeks here, but we're making her happen. But we're milking this morning. The two employees that are still here, they wanted off last night and this morning for a I think they were having a family get together, something. So that's fine. We can cover chores. Oh, dropped my dipper. But as you can see, I got a little monkey on my back because she woke up when we woke up and refused to go back to bed for my sister. Oh, she almost got hit with a milker. So she was pretty proud of herself that she got to come out and milk cows this morning. I'm sure Waylon will be mad now because he has not been liking being stuck in a cast. He likes to be all roaming around, and now he's, oh crap, this one ain't done. Oops, gotta wipe that off. But yeah, keep on milking cows here. Ann, are you doing anything?
I was scraping salt.
Oh, well, good job.
Thank you.
I won't give you a hard time then. Got another set on. Dad informed me that we're wearing the same t-shirt. We're all wearing green today. We gotta go see what Dave's got on. I don't think he's got one of these, but you know all those conference championship t-shirts you get in high school and you don't know what to do afterwards because, well, once you're like 1 or 2 years out of high school, it kind of looks like you're stuck in the past if you're still walking around wearing your conference championship t-shirts. So I turned mine to a barn shirt. That way everyone that comes onto the farm still knows that I was a champion. But at least,
like that guy that was doing the waters.
Yeah.
Were you wearing that shirt when you...
Yeah, I was wearing this one. When we did our waterer project, I was wearing this shirt, and one of the guys that was working for Greg actually he went to Shell Lake, so we played against each other in sports, and I went to I didn't recognize him, but I must be unforgettable.
Good morning, everyone. It's the morning after Country Jam. Hashtag 2 hours of sleep. The cows don't care. But yeah, milking's going pretty well. They're my cute little brownie bunch. As much as everyone hates my jerseys, you can't tell me they aren't cute. They're all hanging out in the back there. They love to wait in the back and be the last group, which, whatever. But, yeah, we're chugging along pretty well. Had 2 cows breathe this morning. That went fine, but feels really good under this fan because I'm pretty sweaty. But yeah, we saw Tim McGraw last night. He was really good. Yeah, so let's keep milking.
Got a couple more slow cows in this one, but these aren't quite as excessive. Just hit 9 minutes. We got about 51 pounds. She's about to come off. And this cow here, 44 and a half. So not too shabby. But this one's at just about to hit 7 minutes and at 49 pounds. So that's more of a normal cow for us. I don't know why some of these are so slow, but it is what it is. Got the last 2 cows of group 1 in here. As you can see, this cow, even though we have what you call a parallel piler, she wants to identify as a herringbone and be standing in here at an angle. But we got the milker on her, and she's just hanging out. These ladies over here are all pumping the milk. Last few cows finishing up. Dad's starting to spray down. Gonna get these dipped. You suck all the milk out of these?
No, they're good.
You gotta get every ounce of milk you can, especially with today's prices. Well, really with any price. When milk's low, you need every pound you can get. When milk's high, you need every pound you can get. So I guess that's why the market does what it does. We mostly just do this for cleaning purposes. Got all the jitters on. That's where the cycles the wash water through. Now I just gotta switch all these over to wash. And we'll get that rolling. You can see how it surges in there. Jets. I call them the jetters. Oh, spray down the rest of the parlor. Go, got everything cleaned up and put away. See what else we get into today, I guess. Well, we're in the next morning now. We couldn't find anything interesting to do yesterday other than chores and go to the county fair. But the county fair was pretty good. Steers looked really nice, especially the ones that came from our farm. But auction prices this year were crazy for the market sale. One of the steers brought $9 a pound, and a couple others brought $7. They were very good prices. I would have been over the moon if I would have got that when I was a kid. But I got $4, $4.50 the one year, and that was a huge amount then, you know, because a lot of them went for $2.50 or so. But yeah, so we're gonna get rolling and keep rolling on chores here. So yeah, get these stalls cleaned. Get them all looking pretty like that. Get them nice and clean for the cows. Come on, girl. Let's go. Go. We got the barn cleaned up all nice. Shutter pans back on. Keep the cows from falling in. We'll let them back. Got them locked in and letting out the ones that have already been milked. How you doing this morning? Little jerseys always hanging out together. This one got a real nasty cut on her head. Not sure how, but she managed to do that. Got all the fresh cows locked up. We're between groups. Oops, excuse me. So, gonna give them some pills. Get them feeling better. This cow right here, her chart graph, Max Tech is telling me that she's got a little bit of low-grade fever, so I'm giving her some metritis treatment. Looks like a real mild case of metritis. Come on, girl. So one pill does like kind of like an aspirin type deal. It's a painkiller. Anti-inflammatory, and then the second one has some, I don't know, I call it witchcraft, but I can't really explain it, but they work. They help get them turned around and cleaned out if they do have a little bit of a retained placenta or something like that. Things I would never know if we didn't have the Max Tech, because she's not showing any physical signs, but this should turn her around and keep her healthy. Well, we got chores done. We're working on loading up some calves to take to the sale barn, and we're missing one. Dad let him out or something.
I gave Paul one job, and he lost a calf.
Yeah. But so I've been driving around the farm looking for him. Turns out he just found a nice place to hide right behind these weeds. So get him thrown in there.
You suppose this ever happens to Joel Nelson?
No, because he doesn't have any weeds on his farm.
Yeah, we probably should have mowed this, huh?
Yeah.
Then we can get Jodine to come and mow it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You got this loader?
Well, we got 5 little calves all loaded up, ready to go. We didn't lose any more.
Didn't lose any more. There's still 4 in there.
5 now.
Oh, yeah, 5 now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Alright.
we'll get rid of these and
See, nothing to this job.
yeah. Hey guys, later in the day now. Just got done hooking up the manure spreader. Got to get manure cleaned up here so we can clean this barn again, because our manure pad out here is kind of full. So gonna do that. Gonna get a tire put on the skid loader. So I think I earned the dumbass of the day award today, because you know how I said I was taking calves to the sale barn? Well, apparently they're not open on Mondays. So I thought they were. We usually go to Altoona, which is Tuesday and Thursday, but Mom wanted the calves gone, and we thought, oh, we'll take them to Barron, because Barron always used to be Monday and Wednesday, but now they're just Wednesday. And so luckily our neighbor, he wanted them after Dad called him to see if he was looking for calves. They were, oh, we thought we'd take them to the sale barn because we thought that he was full on calves, but turns out he wasn't, so I could drop them off there. So they're at least gone, which is a good thing. And yeah, but not the smartest thing I've done today, I guess. I don't know, would have been pretty easy to just look it up before I left, but it is what it is. When I was talking to Roger, he said, that's our neighbor, he said that probably been 4 or 5 years since anything's been sold on a Monday there, so yeah, but that's all right. Calves are gone. We're gonna get this other stuff done. Dad's gonna drop a load of feed to the heifers here, so see what he's got going on. Well, time now for afternoon chores. Getting the freestall barn, group 1, squeegeed out right now. Dad's cleaning the heifer barns with the other skid loader. Just hammering through it. So we'll get these cleaned up, and then we're gonna try and move a load of heifers out of one barn to the other. So we will see how that goes. Sometimes it goes good, sometimes not so good. Just depends on the day and the group of heifers. Some load easy, and some they fight you every step of the way. Well, we assembled a crew and we're gonna get some heifers moved. Got Catherine and Anna. And then Waylon, he's hanging out in his wagon. Are you gonna tell the cows to get moving? Alright, you keep an eye on them. Don't let them through that fence. Don't let them through the headlocks there, or the slant bars, whatever they're called. Gotta get them sorted out. There we go! Got them all loaded up. That went surprisingly well.
Yay!
And almost got ran over once, standing there blocking the hole, but
Jumping out of the way.
I'm guessing it was mostly because Waylon was hollering and they wanted to get out of there.
And they're like this.
Well, I would have gotten in trouble by that one. You probably would have been in trouble.
Yeah.
You want me to break my
They would never do that to you.
Yeah, she would have stopped.
Yeah, so tiny and in the middle.
Come on, girls, get off. Well, let's be there. New home for a little bit here. They like to be a little dramatic getting off the trailer. Gotta do a big leap of faith. Oh, that one didn't really do that big of a leap. Oh, there it is. Big jump. Jumping into a new barn. Like jumping into a new whatever.
A new what?
I don't know. New life. New barn. New barn, new heifer. Oh, come on, you idiots. Come on, girls. Come on. Get. Whoa. Whoa. Well, there you go. Well, that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Keep on liking and subscribing. What do you got to say?
Comment down below what your favorite color is.
You're all about the comments.